everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Kiara. It's New Zealand Sign Language Week from May 6th till May 12th. So I would like to show you a little New Zealand Sign Language. My last video, I made a Japanese dish. Today I'm gonna make something from New Zealand. This is my first time making something sweet on my channel. Today we're making delicious cookies. These cookies are called Afghans and they are so easy to make, so let's get started. The first thing you are going to do is cream the butter with sugar. It looks nice and fluffy and light, so let's go to the next stage. Let's sieve. I love this part. First, you dump the flour, and with the flour, add the cocoa, and then sieve. The next step is to fold this all together. Before I do that, shout out to Ruby and Geordie. Thank you for getting this spatula for me. Now let's fold. This is turning out nicely, so let's add the cornflakes. Let's fold this in. Before we go to the next step, let's preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Next, let's make them into balls. Done, but this can get a little dirty. There's always time for a little bubble fun. Plus, my hands are clean. Let's go to the next step. Fork and press down lightly with all of the balls. Let's put the Afghan in the oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take it out from the oven and cool it. While they're cooling down, let's make the icing. The first step is to sieve this sugar with the cocoa powder. Let's sieve. Once you have done that, next you will put in softened butter and a little bit of vanilla essence and hot water. Add little by little. Now mix with the fork. They look nice and done, so let's put them on the Afghan. Voila! And that's how you make Afghan cookies. Lots of people put their walnuts on the Afghans, but today I'm going to make it colourful, so I'm going to put some sprinkles on. It's all made out of chocolate, so the chocolate good. Please try. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you subscribe and like my channel. See you!